Who is Allah? How much do you really know about Him? Are you asking about God, Ar-Rabb, the one who elegantly fashioned you, pumped this earth with the ceaseless air you breathe, who told the sky to stretch above you, a suspended ceiling with no pillars, a heaven-sent roof glazed in blue, black, and everything in between, who sent the sun again and again, a fresh dose, a constant gush of life. قل أغير الله أبغي ربا وهو رب كل شيء. Why should I seek out a God that's not Him? Are you asking about Ar-Raḥmān, the Most Merciful, whose mercy is seen on land and on sea, the one who created the happiness you feel and fills out your heart with it, the one who created a love so pure it could dry out an entire sea. وَرَبُّنَا الرَّحْمَنُ الْمُسْتَعَانُ عَلَى مَا تَصِفُونَ. He is indeed the most merciful. Are you asking about the one who gave even the atheist a well-formed head upon a perfectly proportioned body, a mind capable of reflection, of reason, of recognition? Yet you can almost picture him shaking that very gifted head of his, saying no, turning away before the signs before him, above him, and within him. يا أيها الإنسان ما غرك بربك الكريم. O mankind, what has deceived you, deluded you from your generous Lord? Are you asking about Al-Ghafūr, the most forgiving, the one who loves the sinner returns to him, who is pleased, truly pleased, and his servant comes back to him, even if his sins were enough to drown the entire earth into nothingness? Are you asking about As-Samīʿ, the all-hearing, the one who hears not just your word but the whispers beneath them? If every human and jinn, from the first of us and the last of us, were together in a single place, raised their voice in different languages, with different needs and endless requests, none would confuse him and none would escape his knowledge, and he would give every single one of us his need without indignation what is with him in the slightest. Are you asking about Al-Baṣīr, Al-Ālim, the all-seeing, all-knowing, the one who sees not just what is apparent, but what is hidden, what is concealed, and what is intended? He sees the movement of a black ant on a black stone in the darkest night. He knows the fall, the turn, the exact moment of every leaf. Nothing escapes him, not distance, not darkness, not silence. Have you not seen how much Allah has given since the creation of the earth? Sahā al-layli wal-nahār, the giver of day and night. So you want to know Allah? We know Him through His names, His attributes, His actions, because no one truly knows Allah truly except that He loves Him inevitably. He is Al-Awwal, the first with no beginning, Al-Ākhir, the last with no end, Al-Ẓāhir, the manifest above all things, Al-Bāṭin, the hidden, closer than anything you can imagine. He is Al-Qawī, the most strong, yet Al-Latīf, the most gentle. He is Ar-Raḥīm, overflowing in mercy. He gives without being asked. He forgives without being forced. He provides for those who remember Him and those who forget Him. Not a moment passes except He is in control. كُلُّ يَوْمٍ هُوَ فِي شَأْنٍ. So if you can get lost in the beauty of the creation, then what about the Creator Himself? أَلَا لَهُ الْخَلْقُ وَالْأَمْرُ. To Him belongs the creation and the control, and the greatness of the creation truly points to the greatness of the Creator. Who is Allah? Take everything you see, the heavens and the earth, and compare them to the throne of Allah. It is like a ring thrown in a vast desert. When you look at the angel beings created from lights of immense size and overwhelming strength, from them are those whose wings stretch across horizons. If one were permitted, a single angel could overturn what we call a wall. Their existence is worship, without pause, without distraction, standing, bowing, prostrating, and yet after all that they say, مَا عَبَدْنَاكَ حَقَّ عِبَادَتِكَ. They say to Allah, we have not worshipped you as you deserve to be worshipped. وَمَا قَدَرُ اللَّهَ حَقَّ قَدْرِهِ وَالْأَرْضُ جَمِيعًا قَبْضَتُهُ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ وَالسَّمَاوَاتُ مَطْوِيَّاتٌ بِيَمِينِهِ سُبْحَانَهُ وَتَعَالَى عَمَّا يُشْرِكُونَ. So we have not truly given Allah His true measure. Don't you know that the entire earth will be in a scrape on the day of judgment? The heavens will be folded in His right hand. Subhanahu wa ta'ala amma yushrikun. Don't be of those who associate partner with Him. So who is Allah? Ahadun Ahad, the one, the absolute one. only one worthy of every form of gratitude, every act of worship, every moment of dependence. ذلكم الله ربكم لا إله إلا هو خالق كل شيء فاعبدوه. That is God, your God. Do you know anyone worthy of worship except Him? He created everything, worship Him alone. So let me ask you, what is the point of breathing His air, living under His sky, benefiting from His mercy, enjoying His countless blessings, if we do not know who to thank? And what is worse, that you know, yet you divide that gratitude between the one who gave you everything and those who gave you nothing. You would think that's fitting? You would think that is justice, or the time to truly know Him. Because إِنَّمَا يَخْشَى اللَّهَ مِنْ عِبَادِهِ الْعُلَمَاء. Only those who truly know Him, love and fear Him. So the question, my dear friend, is not just who is Allah. The real question is, will you take the journey to know Him, or will you wait until you inevitably meet Him? فَتَبَارَكَ اللَّهُ رَبُّ الْعَالَمِينَ.